excited to share MCP client. This is a web-based MCP client. And you go ahead and click on tools. I have an MCP server running on my local. You can use token, you can use OAuth. You could go to tools, and if execute, it would return whatever the tool execution returned with. You can go to a chat interface and say, for example, show a dashboard, which is an MCP UI. It comes back with the UI. I can do all the UI operations. I can go to resources. I can do the same here. I can add a new MCP server, and here are some of the featured MCP servers. You can click on any of them and connect to it, or you can use a custom connection if needed. Say you search for PayPal. I can click on PayPal and say instead of using token, I can do OAuth. I would give the auth. It would go through the MCP login. As I previously logged in, the session is maintained. I go ahead and it connects, and you can see it has the resources and has the tools. I can go to chat. The other interesting MCP that I like is the PubMed. Needs no authentication, I just add it. And then I can go back to chat. In the chat, in the settings, you can connect to OpenAI, Anthropic, or Olama, or Gemini. In this case, I've connected to OpenAI. You can connect to any of these inference engines, and can go back to chat and then say, why do we get a headache, for example, right? Here it would think for a bit and then call the required tools. It's calling the PubMed. PubMed is disconnected. Let me connect it, and then run the query again. This time I could say, do you have some papers on headache? Right, it would go ahead and make the tool. You could see it did search those articles and got some PubMed IDs, and then came back with some PubMed results. This case was just GPT, and this is with PubMed. Hope you enjoy this client. Everything is free and open sourced. You can find it at my GitHub, github.com/hemant/MCP Web Client. It's also hosted on Netlify. It's a progressive web app. You can click on it and add to your home screen. And hope you enjoy this client. Thank you.